Steel is so cool because it's a material that can be recycled over and over again, both from an energy standpoint as well as in terms of process technology. My name is Thorsten Stürmer. I work in steel construction at ThyssenKrupp, and I'm responsible for the sinter test facility. A sinter plant produces sinter, and sinter is produced from fine ores. We cannot usually introduce these fine ores directly into the normal blast furnace process stage. Instead, the fine ores have to pass through an upstream sinter process in order to make them usable. Currently, we find ourselves in a very difficult market environment because we're feeling the pressure from China with those cheap steel imports. What's more, EEG surcharges and the environmental constraints that will be imposed by the EU in the near future pose major challenges. With the new plants that we have here, in other words, research facilities like our sinter test facility, we're attempting to counteract these trends and produce the best possible product in a cost-effective manner. This will allow us to hold our own against other competitors in the market environment. Data transparency for the quality of raw materials is very important. To properly operate our process plants, such as a blast furnace, we need raw materials that are not subject to strong fluctuations. And if we are able to make data-based decisions regarding a new material or raw material subject to strong fluctuations, then we can take appropriate countermeasures and still run our processes efficiently and cost-effectively. In this way, we can generate or achieve the end product that we want. The sinter test facility is truly pioneering because here we've installed state-of-the-art technology with a high level of automation, something we didn't have in our previous facility. We've achieved results that can be reproduced in the facility for years to come, and that can also be compared to newer findings that might be developed perhaps even years later. At the same time, we've made the work easier too. We've achieved a high level of occupational safety and ergonomic standards. We've installed many automation components from Siemens, such control technology, for example, as well as at a higher level, the TIA portal. This makes it easier for us to network all the individual plants that we've acquired from different manufacturers and link them to form an overall system. I think that the TIA portal is very clear because it allows you to react to changes at short notice, especially here at the laboratory plant. So if we have to do something different, it's easy to perform the reprogramming and make adjustments to suit the new conditions. Here in the company, there are concrete examples of digitalization. Just take a look at the cooperation between Hirsch-Hohenlimburg, IBM and Siemens, where process data is being recorded and processed across businesses. Our sinter test facility is yet another step toward digitalization. We're making Industry 4.0 capable data available here for the first time. I think that digitalization is a topic that will become increasingly important. We'll reach a point where all production lines can be networked and where we will be able to process the data from the customer to the supplier and, ultimately, to the producer.